or dare. 5 DIY trends your dentist wants you to avoid. Hello, I'm Dr. Kumar Vadivel, your friendly Texas periodontist, pot gum expert, pot mythbuster, here to save your smile from wild west of internet dental hacks. In this short video, I'm breaking down 5 popular DIY dental trends that sound clever on TikTok but could leave your teeth screaming for professional help. Let's dive into the dares and why you should definitely say no. Lemon juice whitening, sour and sinister. Rubbing lemon juice on your teeth might feel fresh, but the acid is secretly eroding your enamels faster than toddler with a crayon on a white wall. Baking soda overload, not so abrasively awesome. A pinch is fine, but daily brushing with baking soda can scratch away your enamel like sandpaper on a glass. Spoiler, once the enamel is gone, it's gone. Charcoal toothpaste, the dark side of the whitening. Activated charcoal looks edgy, but it's gritty and not in the motivational way. Over time, it can wear down enamel and darken dental restoration. Yikes! Hydrogen peroxide rinses, chem lab in your mouth. Swishing straight hydrogen peroxide? That's not a DIY win. It's an ulcer waiting to happen. Leave the chemistry to the pros and our whitening trays. Oh my god, DIY braces, no, just straight no. Using rubber bands or wires to close gaps at home? Please don't. This isn't arts and crafts, it's your bite and you could damage your roots permanently. Final word, I get it. DIY can be fun, but when it comes to your teeth, the safest trend is trusting your dentist. So, next time you are tempted by a viral hack, ask yourself, truth or dare? Smile safe, smile smart. Take care, folks.